We're exploring the Audi AI Trail, a groundbreaking concept that reimagines the future of off-road vehicles. Design and exterior. Unveiled at the 2019 International Motor Show, IA in Frankfurt, the Audi AI Trail combines futuristic design with functionality. Its angular, glass-dominated body offers panoramic views, enhancing the connection between passengers and nature. The elevated ground clearance and large, rugged tires are tailored for challenging terrains. Notably, the AI Trail replaces traditional headlights with drones equipped with spotlights, providing versatile illumination that adapts to various driving conditions. Interior and comfort. Inside, the AI Trail emphasizes minimalism and sustainability. The spacious cabin features seating for four, with seats made from recycled materials. The expansive windows and transparent roof immerse passengers in their surroundings, creating a serene and open atmosphere. Performance and capabilities. The AI Trail is an all-electric vehicle with 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, delivering a combined output of 320 kilowatts. This setup provides exceptional torque and quattro all-wheel drive capabilities, ensuring optimal performance on diverse terrains. The vehicle boasts a range of up to 500 kilometers, 310 miles, on roads or easy off-road terrain, and up to 250 kilometers, 155 miles, on rough ground. Autonomous features. Equipped with Level 4 autonomous driving technology, the AI Trail can handle driving tasks without human intervention in designated areas. This feature allows occupants to fully engage with their environment, whether it's enjoying the scenery or engaging in other activities during the journey. Innovative lighting system. A standout feature of the AI Trail is its drone-based lighting system. Instead of conventional headlights, it utilizes drones equipped with spotlights that can fly ahead and illuminate the path. These drones can also land on the vehicle's roof rack or directly on the roof, where they double as a light source through the glass roof. This innovative approach provides adaptable lighting and adds to the futuristic appeal of the vehicle. Environmental considerations. Audi's AI Trail reflects a commitment to sustainability. Its electric propulsion ensures zero emissions, making it an eco-friendly option for off-road adventures. The use of recycled materials in the interior further underscores Audi's dedication to environmental responsibility. The Audi AI Trail is a visionary concept that blends advanced technology with sustainable design, offering a glimpse into the future of off-road mobility. Its innovative features and eco-friendly approach make it a standout in the realm of concept vehicles. If you enjoyed this overview, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into the latest automotive innovations.